Therefore, there's a physical gym for physical growth and physical health. There's a mental gym for mental growth and mental health. And that is the concept behind which we came up with this idea called the spiritual gym. Which means if we need to acquire spiritual growth and if we need to acquire spiritual health, then we need to go to a spiritual gym. And that is what the workshop sessions throughout today and tomorrow have been designed to provide. Again, I'll raise the same questions as what we did in the physical space and in the mental space. For physical growth, what do you think is the manifestation? I want to present some things and then we can discuss this later. Joyous, calm, balanced, generous, loving, enthusiastic, appears in control of situations and relationships. Nothing surprises, upsets, angers, disappoints, frightens. How acquired? We will see as we proceed through these sessions. But what I would say is, therefore, it means building spiritual muscles. How acquired in the physical space? Building physical muscles. How acquired in the spiritual space? Building spiritual muscles, which we will see. And how maintained? Same questions, and we will see how we start getting some answers during the workshop session. So spiritual health, same thing I'm saying, internal factors. Manifestation happens based on what you build internally. That's what we've seen, whether it's in the physical space or mental space. So what could be the internal factors? Is it a loving, pure heart? Is it a free, uncluttered mind? Settled intelligence? We will see some of these because it is these that you work on. In order for physical health to be there and for the manifestation of that physical muscles to happen, what you work on are those exercises. What you work on are different things. What you work on is balanced diet. What you work on for creating that manifestation is what you can do. Whether then it manifests and it grows as much as the other person or it doesn't is different. But what you can work on is what we need to focus on. So similarly, for this spiritual growth to happen, for that manifestation of that spiritual growth to happen, what is it that we need to work on? Are these factors? How acquired, how maintained, we will see during the sessions.